find ourselves here in Charlotte today, the great city in North Carolina. We're going to be hosted at Packard Place. It's an accelerator and incubator space for all kinds of technology companies, including some fintechs. So we're going to have a great mix of small banks and big banks, and we're going to talk about how that technology is impacting the banking industry and what to do about it.
Packard Place is Charlotte's uptown entrepreneurship center. It's located right in the heart of Charlotte. It's a 100,000 square foot facility, one of the largest in the country, and it's all about supporting high growth entrepreneurs and the things they need to be successful. Big financial services companies working with fintech startups. There's a pretty big gap there in terms of culture, mindset, background. That's one of the things that we're trying to do at QC Fintech, or Queen City Fintech, is help bridge that gap so that financial services entrepreneurs can work with big companies and do it in an effective way. So one of the things that's interesting about fintech and financial services innovation in Charlotte is it's really a community-wide effort. It's not just the large financial services companies, it's not just the entrepreneurs, it's just not the QC Fintech program. It's really the whole community rallying around how do we make Charlotte one of the financial services innovation hubs in the world.
Attended today's session, went through a digital journey, didn't know what to expect. Very nice session on innovation and forward-thinking thought leadership. Highly recommend this for several other executive leaders, business and technology, to sit around the table and have a great, informative, open dialogue.
I would encourage any organization that's looking to grow and to learn from their peers, to share ideas, to cross-pollinate, to really get involved in the Bankers Innovation Council. It's a fantastic opportunity not only to meet new people, but to explore and work through new ideas, not only on the back end, not only from inception, but also when it comes to practical implementation. We learned not only how to think creatively, but also how to execute against those creative ideas, which is very nice.
If you're having challenges with how to navigate your internal organization and how they can help them think a little bit differently about innovation and achieving innovation within the constructs of a bank, there's a lot of good tips that you're going to get from this session to achieve those goals.
I wasn't aware that we would look at the inside of our organizations from a social perspective. That was a pleasant surprise, and instead of just admiring the innovation problem, we were equipped with tools to understand how we can solve the innovation problem within our organizations.